Hey everyone, it is Sillyman here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert an accessory into a tool. So as you can see here, this is of a back accessory type, but we want to convert this into a tool that the player can hold in their hand. So one thing you do want to keep in mind is if you're going to add a tool into your game, you want to make sure that it is made by Roblox, the official Roblox account, because if it's a UGC item and you add it to your game without permission, you could get a copyright claim from the owner. So luckily there is a way to filter items that are made by Roblox only. You just come over here, you just search for an item and then come here, type Roblox and then hit go. And you can also enable unavailable items, which will also show items that are not in sale. So even if an item is not in sale, you can still insert it into Studio. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and insert the item into Studio. So we're going to use the following command here, which I will include in the description. I'm going to get the asset ID of the item, so that's the number here in the link. So copy that and then paste it here and then hit enter. This will add the item to the workspace. So as you can see here, it is of a type accessory, but we want to convert this into a tool. So to do that, I'm going to insert an object into the workspace and insert a tool. And then I'm going to drag the handle, which is inside of the accessory, into the tool. Make sure you don't drag anything else. So just the handle. We should have this block icon here. And then we can delete the body back attachment. Don't really need that. And we can delete these as well. So just keep the mesh. And then I'm going to drag the tool into starter pack. And now if I hit play, you can see that I have the tool in my hotbar. And if I equip it, you can see that it kind of works. However, I am holding the tool in kind of a weird way. It's not rotated correctly. So to fix this issue, we're going to be using a plugin called Tool Grip Editor. It is free and I will put the link in the description. So once you've downloaded that plugin, we're going to load it up in Studio. Just go to Plugins, then click on the plugin. And then I'm going to just drag the tool over to Workspace. And then, yeah, once you have the tool selected, we can click Edit Tool Grip. So this window here is basically how we're holding the tool relative to our hand. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate this so that way we can align it. Whoops. So let's start with rotating this. So I'm going to drag it this way. Okay. And then I'm going to move it this way. So click on the move tool. And you can also adjust the increment here, I believe. So I change to 0.1. It's going to move it in smaller increments. Okay, and then move it this way. Okay, we still need to move it a little bit this way. So it is moving it diagonally, which is a little bit weird. Okay, and then let's move it up. So up can sometimes be down. So as you can see, I'm pulling it up here, but it's actually going down. So we need to actually pull it down. All right, I think that looks good. So now I'm just going to click off and then close this. And then drag the tool back into starter pack. And then hit play. All right, so I have the tool here. And if I equip it, you can see that I'm now holding it correctly. And that is how you convert an accessory into a tool. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and I will see you all next time.